honey. Good morning. Good morning from San Juan. We are just pulling into San Juan right now. We got here early, so we were actually just sitting out sitting out there for a while. Nice little sunrise. Alright, good morning, good morning, good morning. San Juan, Puerto Rico. We didn't really have any plans here today, so we checked the hop on, hop off tour. It's like 30 bucks a person, and it's like 4 stops and the pickup and whatnot. We decided not to do that because one of the stops is a beach, one of the stops is somewhere we've already been.
One of the stops is a mall.
Yeah, and then it goes like to the mall, which is not. I don't really want to see the mall. It's not.
It's the mall, beach, Old San Juan, and New San Juan.
Yeah.
We've already been to old and new.
Yeah.
I have no interest in the beach today. Ow, I'm hurting.
Yeah, there's lots of red skin. So always get a phone call. Watch this. You ready? Tricked you. We're just gonna walk. We're just gonna go out the port. We'll walk around a little bit. We do want to stop at the Walgreens right out here, or the CVS, whatever one it is. Looking to, yeah, they're gonna get some solar cane for the owies, and then we're probably just gonna head back, do lunch and everything on the ship. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hello, San Juan. Smells fun. We're back in San Juan. San Juan in my dad's shirt. Yeah, boy. So right here in the last video for the Magic, we were right here shooting this almost the same exact, probably the same exact way. Walking in the same fashion. Yup. So we're just gonna walk around. Let's take a little adventure, huh? We gotta get to the sign. Looks like we pulled up next to, with Oasis of the Seas. It's a beautiful boat. It's the Amazing Grace. Beautiful. All right. Just like last year, thing to know coming out of the port is there's a lot of people trying to sell tours. It's like 15 bucks per person. We did this last year. We didn't personally like it. We did get to see some stuff. It just wasn't, you know, I don't know. But they're air-conditioned buses, so if it's really hot and you don't really feel like walking, go ahead and do it. We're just gonna choose to kind of walk around and just look around a little bit and then hit up Walgreens and head back home. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Alright, so we are at the Castillo San Cristobal. This is one of the 2 bigger forts. We are choosing not to go in there. It's very sunny, so we kind of just walked over here and got the sign and everything. It's $10 per person, and then kids under 16 are free, so that's not bad. It's not bad, and it seems really big.
It's like, what, maybe 5 minutes walk?
It was 5 minutes. 5 minutes from the pier. We literally walked right here. It's barely any walking.
In last year's videos, if you check those out, we took the $15 tour. We ended up at the smaller fort over there.
Yep.
And then we just walked back down.
And then we walked back. Everything is walkable.
Very easy, smooth. I'm a bigger girl, you can see, and I had no problems walking it.
Everything is walkable. Don't be afraid to do walking tours. There's tons of the walking tours as well, and you can download actual self-guided walking tours as well. If I can find one, I'll put the link down in the description. So there are so many shops down all the little side streets. You just gotta keep walking. There's food, there's souvenir places, there's all sorts of stuff. Don't ever worry about getting yourself some culture here in San Juan. If you're not interested, you could always just hit up Burger King. I've actually seen quite a few people go in there. It's pretty funny. Alright, we're just walking around. Souvenir stuff, magnets. We always get a magnet everywhere we are, everywhere we stop. Shell loves her San Juan pictures.
I do.
San Juan is a very beautiful place, like the stones. Look at that. Pigeons. There's pigeons everywhere. Pigeons everywhere. And they don't care. They're just like walking. Like, what's up, dude? What's going on? It's pretty nice out here. Will you be nice to them? All they're looking for is food. Just watch where you step. Right? This is a cool square or a rectangle.
Wendy's.
And a Wendy's.
You got Burger King, Subway, and Wendy's now.
My shell sitting here taking pictures like crazy. Alright, I gotta say, I like walking San Juan. It's actually much nicer. So my opinion is changing quite rapidly as we walk around. It's a very beautiful place. There's a lot of historic and just amazing sights. Alright, so there was a question on whether or not the Umbrella Street is still around. And it's still here physically, but it is not. So it's a big Puerto Rican flag, which is still really cool. But this is where the umbrellas used to be. They've actually changed quite a bit around here. So just so you know, no longer umbrellas. Alright, this says this is where the pina colada was created. We're gonna take its word for it. I wish I liked them more, or else we'd go in and have one. But I don't. So, onwards! Evan, you're in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Yes, I am.
Is it beautiful?
Yes. And also, now we're trying to avoid fruit falling from the tree.
Getting it time. We're just walking around, no plans for anything, just wandering, seeing the sights. Such a beautiful place. the oasis of the seas behind there. Look at that. Senor Frogs, right outside the port. So there's our ship. There's Senor Frogs. All right next to Senor Frogs is Walgreens. Just in case you need something. It's true. I love it. I've learned to love it. I didn't like it before, but I love it now. Thank you very much, San Juan. We're done though. We're going back on the ship, eat some lunch, relax.